Welcome to Affordable Classics here in Gladstone, Oregon. Gorgeous 1954 Chevy pickup. Look at those bumpers. Brand new grill, headlight bezel. The whole truck is impeccable. Nice, the hubcaps, brand new tires, 3100 with the dual mirrors, the visor, which is very nice. Running boards, impeccable. The whole truck. This is the catch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows. The best resale value in this early years of trucks. Here again, bumpers, brand new spare tire, and the 54 Oregon points. That's just impossible to get. Here again, wood bed with the chrome slots, gorgeous. This is something that just turn the key and enjoy. As you could tell, everything is impeccable. Even the rubbers around all the windows, original. Glass. Gorgeous interior. All the right things, the manual, brochures. Look at that. Over the top. This is just gorgeous to look at. Here's a 235 with 6-cylinder, just like the factory. Just like the factory. Best part, you get in, show the tags, just turn the key and it starts right up.